Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The English Web. I am Bhageshri. So if you're wondering as to what today's video is all about, it's a Father's Day special and I've decided to get my father for this video. So there are 10 questions, Daddy, and we both have to answer them. So I will answer as you and you will answer as me. Again, they are fun questions and let's get started. So here goes the first question. Which is the one excuse I tend to give when I don't want to attend an event/party?
Yeah, Daddy. Yesterday only I have committed with one of my friends, so I have to go with her for dinner, so I cannot able to make it. Please excuse me, Daddy. Next time I will definitely.
Oh, but that's the truth. What would I say as an excuse? If I can come and I still don't want to come, which is that one excuse I would give?
I already committed with.
Oh, that also I would say as an excuse. Okay, I think you would say. I am too tired today. I am just, I've had a long day at work and I don't think I want to come. So that is an excuse. Did I give the right excuse for you?
Yeah, more or less.
Which is the one thing about me most people don't know?
Yeah, Bhageshri is a very, very sensitive and humanitarian kind of person. She loves all the creatures. That is I think, the best part which I like.
And I think the one thing most people don't know about my father is that he is a brilliant chef. I found out about that during the lockdown itself. So, I think, all the possible dishes that we could make as vegetarians at home, I think he's tried those out. And I must say he's an amazing chef. And yeah, that is the one thing most people don't know about
That
him.
is don't want to make a career out of it.
It's not. It's just one of the
So-
things people don't know about you. I mean, of course, there are many other things. He also plays very good cricket. I mean, but most people know that about him. The third question is, if there was one thing I could change about myself, then what would it be?
I should not jump onto any kind of event immediately. I'll give a pause and then react. That is the best what I can give.
That is the one piece of advice, just taking your time to react to a situation that I've always received. And I think for you, I wish I can have more conversations with my family.
Yeah, I'll try. I'll try.
Like, daddy is around all the time. I mean, right now because of the lockdown, but just those conversations.
I
that you
accept. I
have.
accept Bhageshri's comment, and I'll try to improve upon myself.
Which is the one thing that I always order when I go to a restaurant?
Mysore Sada Dosa.
So
The
yeah,
favorite.
if the restaurant has dosa, Mysore Sada dosa, then I always tend to order that.
Yeah, or otherwise veg keema and butter paratha.
Yeah. So I love Punjabi food. So if I go to a North Indian restaurant, then these are the things I always tend to order, even otherwise. And I think for my dad, I think it would be a Rava Sada dosa.
Oh,
Rava, wait, onion uttappa.
Yeah. That's
If it is a South Indian restaurant, otherwise roasted papad.
Wow.
Yeah, if the restaurant serves that. Which is the one thing we both have in common?
Yeah, we both are a sensitive kind of person, and we understand the other's difficulty. I think much better than the
Yeah,
other.
and I think another thing I think we both have in common is our love for music.
Correct.
Yeah, I
very
think
true.
we
Very
both enjoy listening to music and we're also musically inclined, I would say. So the next question is the one thing you wish your family told you more often. So what do you think your family told you more often? Like for me, like you are Bhageshri, what do you think your family told you more often?
So, Bhageshri, be patient and
I don't wish my family for my family to say that to me. I mean, I know I need to change that, but which is that one thing I wish you all told me more often.
yeah, you are a lovely, lovely singer.
Yeah, I hear that very often. I appreciate that. I get
Yeah.
that a lot.
But you not practice or you not pursue this field. I wish
Yeah,
if you do 2 or 3 years riyaz, you can be
Yeah.
a very, very competitive singer.
I have started learning classical music, so hopefully
Great.
that dream comes true. And I think one thing that you wish your family told you more often was that you are very humble. Uh, you don't try to compete with others. You are in your own race, and that all of us are very proud of where you are. So yeah, the one thing about me that annoys my family. So, what is the one thing about me that irritates everybody or that my family doesn't
Your
like?
father, mother can never get irritated. So
No, but in general, if there is
I
anything
don't
that-
recollect anything. I don't recollect.
just any random habit that you think, you wish annoys people.
Not joining my office. You
Yeah.
are pursuing your own goal, but not joining my business.
That is true. That I think annoys my father more than anybody else. One thing about my father that annoys everybody, I think it would be just being on his phone a lot of times when the
Oh.
family is around. I think he knows that. What would I rather choose as a career option if I didn't choose to do what I am doing?
Definitely, you can.
What would I choose for myself if I didn't choose what I'm doing right now?
Singing.
Singing, yeah. Even I think so. And I think you would be a very good doctor. You would have been. I mean, if you would have chosen that field. I mean, this is my,
Correct.
I think, assumption. The one thing my family tells me, which really makes me happy.
Oh. Bhagesri just prepare this
Brownie.
brownie with chocolate.
Sizzling brownie.
Sizzling brownie, chocolate ice cream. Fabulous.
Yeah, so I am a sucker for all things sweet, and every time somebody asks me to share my chocolates with them or give them something sweet, I think that really makes me happy. And the one thing that makes my father really happy, the thing that would really make him happy is I want to eat mangoes. Please get me mangoes.
Yeah, correct. All of you, all family members.
Yeah, the one thing that really delights him. Who is your favorite family member?
Oh.
You put each other on the spot. For me, who is my favorite family member? You have to answer on my behalf.
Your mommy.
I am not going to say anything to this. This is your answer. And I think for you also the answer would be the same. It would be my mother.
No, all of you.
So I think it's a mother for both of us. I wish you all a very happy Father's Day. And we really enjoyed doing this video. And thank you, Dad, for being a part of this video. For most people who don't know, my father is quite camera shy. He does not really like to prefer being in front of the camera. So this was a great deal. And thank you so much for being a part of the video. And yes, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, then please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do comment below with your favorite part in the video. And do share and subscribe to the English Web. I shall see you guys soon. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.